Here we have a use case scenario for Salesforce in a roofing building materials supply company, fictitiously called XYZ Supply Company. This instance is designed primarily to track orders and deliveries, and let's get right to it. We have one of our best customers comes in, Roof Raiders. They need to place 2 orders for delivery. Here you can see some past orders that are placed and the status is delivery, but let's start a new order. Okay, record types shown here. We need a delivery order. Okay, job name to reference the order date of today. They need this tomorrow. And our shipping street. Alright, this you'll note is automatically populated from the account. This of course is the administrator view. A standard user would not see this as it would be read-only on the screen. Okay, so we've got that new order placed. And actually they need to place another order. And same date today, going out again tomorrow. Shipping address is same thing, populated already. Okay, so we've got our 2 orders already in the system. Recent loaded as drafts. You can see here they're numerically auto number generated names. Let's go to that order. Let's add some products. This is what they need for this particular order. They need some OSB. OSB is basically plywood. But they need a large quantity of plywood, 75. After the quantity is entered, it is automatically auto-calculated the total weight for that quantity. That total weight is carried over to the order object for the total weight for that order. Okay, that's all they need for that stop. We're going to mark the status as ordered. It is basically done. When that's done, a stop is created. As you can see, this checkbox is changed, and a stop has already been auto-generated with the street. Let's go to that stop. That stop right here does not have a sortie. A sortie would be a series of routes. Let's create a new one. You will note that the name is auto-generated. It doesn't matter what we enter, but because of the nature of the name field, we have to enter something. Sortie driver is going to be wide herb. Okay. So this name is specific. The number here references the vehicle. The day references the day the order was created. And the number references the hour, all in Eastern Standard Time. Okay, we're going to save that. And we can very easily go back to our recent order. You can see this one is ordered. We got one more to go here. We're going to add a couple products onto this one. They need some shingles primarily and some nails. Fairly large quantity of shingles and a large quantity of nails. That's all they need. Again, you can see that currently there's no stop listed, and the stop creation is negative here. Nothing's on there. But as soon as we enter the order as ordered and change its status, stop is created. The related stop is also created. And again, you'll note that pane, the name for the stop, is auto-generated. So let's go to that. and let's reference that sortie that we created just recently. And here it is. It's going to be on the same one. Now this one is going to be stop 2. We didn't put a sequence in for the first one, but let's do that. Staged means we've already put it on our truck, so let's change that. Let's go back to the sortie, and we can see right here that here's our one. This one is staged. We do have to alter this one. Let's do that. Let's change its stop number to 1, and let's change its status to also staged. Let's save it. Okay, our driver is pretty much ready to go. He's got his stops on his truck, and he's going to check out. This just references the truck. Actually, clicked the wrong button there. We want to go to the sortie. Okay, recent sortie right here. Okay, here's his stops in order: brown and then pain. He is going to change his sortie status to route start. That, as you'll see, did not populate correctly. There we go. Stops status is also changed to en route when that happens. Just needed to refresh the page. Okay, so he's on his way to these stops. He's gotten to this first stop, and he has delivered it. You will note that this stop order is now notated as delivered, and if we reference this order, you can see it's all the way marked here to delivered in the status. Okay, he's delivered that one, but this one's still to go. That's designed that way in case you actually don't get to the next stop. So let's change this one, and he's gotten to it too. And we could do it one of two ways. We could actually change this, but the checkbox is just simpler, really. Okay, however, you'll notice that he's still going. It says route start. He's finished that last stop, and he's coming back, and he's ended his route, and that is wrapping it all up. You'll see that this sortie is now completed, and on those recent orders for roof raiders referenced, here they are. They're both delivered, and we can see that the details here. And there'll be more in-depth videos in regards to some of these automated features that you can notate below. Please click on those links. There's stop validation and quite a few automated workflows and process builder processes in work here that make all this happen. And I will demonstrate some of those in some of the follow-up videos. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope to see you back again. Please like this video and have a great day. And don't forget, go ahead and get a little bit of money, make some mistakes, and learn something along the way.